Explain experiment number 9, multi-threading. First program to create the thread and display the line of multiplication table of number 5 for every 3 seconds. First we create 5 table which inherits from the thread superclass. Override the run method and in main method create an object for table class to create a thread. He calls the star method on the thread to involve run method in 5 table class. Initialize a local variable count and set it to 1. Use a do while loop to print a multiplication table of 5 by multiplying 5 and count 2 in each pass. After printing a line using try catch block, sleep the thread for 3 seconds. Increment count by 1 in each pass. Do this process until the count lesser than or equal to 10. Then it executes the program successfully and it stops the program. And second program to write a Java application to find following data and create 2 threads newly operations with 2 seconds delay. Now first we import java.util.scanner. Import scanner from the java.util package. Create a class called paragraph that implements runnable interface. Declare what's as a data member and assign it with the help of constructor. Override run method initiate scanner class. Read the input for any paragraph using next line method of scanner class. Then pass the constructor of paragraph class to assign the words. Create a thread T object 1 and pass paragraph class instance to the thread class constructor. Name the thread word. Create a thread object 2 and pass paragraph class instance to the thread class constructor. Name the thread vowel. Start by the vowel and start by object 1 and suspended all the other threads using join method with try catch block. Sleep the thread for 2 seconds using sleep method which catch block and start the thread object 2. Then it sleeps the thread for 2 seconds using sleep method with try catch block and start the thread object. In run method check the current thread name. If the words split the paragraph into a list words, then use a loop and print each word in paragraph. If the name is vowel, convert the entire paragraph into lowercase. Read the each of that vowel. Convert to the entire paragraph into lowercase. Check if any character is vowel. If true, prints the value and then implemented it successfully. Then third program to write a Java application in multi-threading to perform the getting inputs from the user thread name called T1 and getting inputs from the DBA, perform addition or subdivision sum of the numbers using name called T2. Import scanner class from java.util package. Create a class thread that inherits from the superclass thread instance scanner class. Override method. Create 4 threads and the set their names to T1, T2 and T3, T4. Start the thread object 1 and suspend all the other threads from the execution using join method with a try catch block. In run method use current thread get name to check the name of the thread. If name is T1, read 2 numbers from the user using scanner class. Else if T2, print the number of sum of 2 numbers. Else if T3, print division value of 2 numbers. else if T4 read the inputs to the integer array and prints sum of the arrays, and then it stops the program. And fourth program, to create a Java program to read 10 numbers. First, import scanner class from the java.util package. Create a class called operations that inherits from the superclass thread. Then declare an array as a data member and assign that using that constructor. Override the run method. In main instantiate scanner class. Initialize an array of size 10. Get the input from the array using loop with index pointer. Pass the array to the constructor of operations class while creating 3 threads T1, T2, 3. Set the name of the first thread even, second thread to odd, third thread to total. Start the first thread and suspend all the other executing threads using join method along with try catch block. Start the second thread and suspend all the executing threads using join method along with try catch block. Start the third thread and suspend all other executing threads using join method along with try catch. In run method, check the names of the threads. If the name is even, then using loop filter even numbers from array using percentage operator. If name is odd, then using loop for filter odd numbers for print those odd numbers. If name is total, then it initialize a local variable sum and set it to 0. Then iterate across the array. Add each the value of sum in each pass. Print the value of sum outside the loop. Then it stops the program.